In this video, we're learning the first 20 numbers in Spanish. You think you know them? Let's put that to the test.
7, 1, 3, 9, 6, 14, 19, 11, 18, 15.
So, how'd you do? Did you nail it? If so, you're probably ready for the next video. But if you thought it was a little bit fast, or couldn't even follow along at all, you're in the right place. This video is going to take you from very slow, gradually moving faster and faster, until finally you're at the conversational speed. Grab a piece of paper, draw a grid 10 by 10, and we'll be putting the numbers into it. There'll be a graphic on the screen that you can follow along. Writing the numbers down has this amazing way to force your concentration. With a lot of numbers coming at you, it's easy just to doze off or let your mind wander. But when you're forced to write something down and you're sitting on bated breath for the very next number, it has this power to draw in your focus. I encourage you to leverage that. Make sure you write the dates down on it. Keep track and watch your progress. It's amazing how fast a little bit of daily practice will take you. Your understanding, your comprehension of these numbers will skyrocket. And that applies to larger numbers too, that we'll see in the later series. So draw yourself a grid, 10 by 10, and date it. Put your name to it. And don't try and be perfect. Don't pause the video. Let it get too fast for you. That's okay. You want to be pushed outside of your comfort zone. So if it starts getting uncomfortably fast, celebrate. You're right where you need to be. Okay, here's our 10 by 10 grid. I've added numbers at the top to make it easier to grade your results. You can ignore them for now. The numbers on the left are a speed indicator. 16 words per minute, 18 words per minute, all the way up to 38, over twice as fast as the first row. Simply start in the top left corner and write down the number you hear. In real life, numbers don't come in sequential order, so I've randomized the order here also to promote true mastery. Here's Joanna. She's a native Spanish speaker, here to guide us on our path to mastery of the numbers 0 through 9.
Hola, ¿estás preparado? 4, 3, 0, 9, 5, 2, 7, 8, 6, 1, 9, 5, 6, 3, 0, 1, 4, 7, 8, 2, 0, 9, 5, 3, 6, 8, 2, 4, 7, 1, 6, 3, 1, 5, 8, 7, 0, 9, 2, 4, 5, 8, 3, 2, 6, 1, 9, 7, 0, 4, 8, 0, 6, 1, 7, 4, 5, 9, 2, 3, 8, 4, 5, 9, 3, 7, 2, 6, 1, 0, 6, 7, 2, 0, 1, 5, 3, 4, 9, 8, 8, 4, 1, 2, 6, 7, 5, 0, 9, 3, 7, 1, 3, 4, 6, 0, 5, 9, 8, 2.
Okay, it's time for the answers. Let's see how you did. If you got 8 out of 10, then give yourself credit for that speed. You might be thinking, I thought the title was first 20 numbers. Well, you're right. Let's get into the next 10 now. Same drill as before. Make a grid 10 by 10 on a piece of paper. Follow along. Don't pause the video. Very important. It might get too fast, but just like the first 10, it's okay. Let it get too fast, but stick with it. If you miss a number, move on. It's okay. In real spoken language, when you're in a conversation, the speaker is going to move on. So it's a good habit to get into. All right, here's our grid again. Just write down the number that you hear, and at the end, I'll show the answers. Are you ready? Let's go.
17, 14, 20, 16, 10, 11, 19, 12, 18, 13, 11, 20, 18, 16, 12, 15, 14, 10, 17, 13, 10, 16, 19, 13, 15, 17, 12, 20, 14, 11, 12, 10, 14, 19, 13, 16, 17, 20, 11, 18, 20, 19, 14, 18, 17, 12, 10, 13, 15, 16, 14, 20, 12, 15, 16, 13, 10, 19, 18, 11, 18, 12, 13, 15, 16, 14, 10, 11, 19, 17, 20, 19, 11, 14, 15, 12, 16, 17, 18, 13, 20, 12, 18, 16, 13, 15, 17, 10, 11, 14, 17, 20, 10, 12, 16, 14, 19, 15, 11, 13.
Here's the answer sheet. Go ahead and grade yourself. It's okay if you got some wrong. That's the expectation. If you got 100%, what are you doing in this video? Move on to the next one. And that's it. Save the results. Put a date on it. Hold yourself accountable to listening to the video each day for 7 days. Take that challenge. You'll be amazed at how far you come in such a short period of time. You don't need perfection. Don't hold yourself to that standard. You're never going to be 100% when you're in a conversation, but that shouldn't stop you from having the conversations. The same is true with numbers. It's okay, and in the real world, you'll be able to ask someone to repeat themselves. So don't aim for 100%. Aim for 80%, maybe 85%. And once you're there, move on. Get on to the next video. Did you take the 7-day challenge? Watch this video at least once every day, writing down your answers as you go, never pausing the video, and then compare what's the score you had in the beginning versus the score in the end. And leave a comment below. I want to see your numbers. If you found the video useful, please consider subscribing and click the bell notification so you know when I upload new videos. There's plenty more to come in this series, so when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video.